Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you remove a friend on Snapchat. But before that, remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, you have to open the Snapchat and then at the bottom of the page you have to click on chat. And now you have to choose the friend which is annoying for you. For example, you click on its face, and now at the top of the page you have to click on the 3 points. Now you have to click on manage friendship, and here you click on remove friend, and you click on remove. That's it for this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Bye!